Welcome. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create an app using Plentra Sphere. So, in this demonstration, we will create an app for a dry fruit store. Visit plentrasphere.com. Go to the developer dashboard by clicking on the Go to Developer Dashboard button. You need a Plentra account, and if you don't have one, click Sign Up. Click Create New Account. Fill in the required details. Enter your name. Enter your email address. Enter your password. Re-enter your password. Check I agree to the terms and conditions. Click Create. Now you need to verify your account. So open your email inbox. Open the email from Plentra Accounts. Click the Confirm Now button. Your account was successfully activated. Let us sign in using the account we just created. We are successfully logged into Plentra Sphere Developer Dashboard. There are two profiles. The Creator profile is used to create your apps and manage their subscriptions. In the Builder profile, you can develop your app, add items or products, etc. Let us first create an app by launching the Creator profile. Click Create New App. Enter the app name. Click Change Icon. Select the app icon image. Click Create App. Our app was successfully created. In order to view our app subscription and plan details, let us select our app. Our app is not active, and here are the plan details. Every app has its own app link so that the web version of our app, also known as the web app, can be accessed using that link. Let us click on our app's web link. Our app is deactivated. For a better demonstration, let me split these tabs into two windows. The window on our left is our app dashboard, and the window on our right is our app. Let us now activate our app by clicking on the subscription button. Let us select a plan of our choice and click on the subscribe button. We can see our order summary. Enter payment details and make the payment. Our payment is being verified. The plan has been activated. As we refresh our app, we see the app is now activated and the lock icon is gone. Let us go back to our dashboard. We can see our plan details we subscribe to. Our app is now valid for 30 days. These are all the capacities of our app. Now that we have created our app, let us develop it. So, back in the Developer panel, launch the Builder profile. Select the app we created. We are now in the app's control panel. There is a resource counter indicating the number of items, categories, team members, and launchers created. As we scroll down, we see various features which we will cover in detail through this video. In order to add an item or create a menu in our app, we first need to create item categories. We can do that by clicking Manage under Item Category. Click Add Category button. Enter the category name. Click Add. Our category was created. In order to update the category name, click Edit button. Change the name. Click Update. Our category was updated. We can also delete the category by clicking on the Delete button. And our category was deleted. Now that we have learned how to add and manage categories, let us create a few categories. We have created enough categories. Now, let us start by creating a menu in our app. So, back in the app's control panel, click Manage under Launchers. We see there is a launcher home. A launcher is basically a menu consisting of launcher items or menu items, which, when clicked, displays all the items of the category or sub-launcher. When our app is launched, the first thing that is loaded is the home launcher. which we can see is currently empty. So let us start adding some menu items to our home launcher. Click Open button under the home launcher. Click Add Launcher Item button. Enter the launcher item name. Select the launcher item action to one of the categories. Change the launcher item thumbnail. Select the image. Click Add Item. The launcher item was successfully added. As we refresh our app, we see the launcher or menu item we just added. Let us try to update our launcher item. Make the changes. Click Update Launcher Item button. Let us refresh the app, and we see the updated launcher item. You can remove the launcher item by clicking on the Remove Launcher Item button. As we refresh our app, the home launcher is empty again. Let us add a few launcher items. We have added enough items. As we refresh our app, we see our home launcher is now ready. You can set the launcher cover by clicking on the Change Cover button. Select the image. Click Save Cover. Refresh the app, and we see our home launcher now has a cover. Let us update the cover image. Our cover image was updated. To remove the cover image, click Remove Cover button. As you see, our home launcher has no cover. Our app's main menu, also called the home launcher, is now ready. But now it is time to add items or products to our app. Let us go back to the control panel of our app. Click Add under Add New Item. Enter the item name. Select the item category. Enter the product description in the item body. Add the price to our product by clicking on Add Extra. Select the price widget. Enter the price amount. If you are offering a discount to this item, you can change the offer price. Otherwise, you can set it to 0. Enter the currency. By default, it is Indian rupees. You can change the symbol to your local currency type. Enter the unit. Click Add. The price is now set for this item. Change the item icon image. Add item image gallery images by clicking on Browse. Click Add Item. The product was successfully added to our app. In order to update this item, click Edit under Edit Item. Select the item. Make the changes. Click Update Item to save the changes. After refreshing the app, the changes will be visible. Let us provide a discount to this item. Now, this item has a discount. You can also mark this item as out of stock. Now, this item is out of stock. Let us remove this item by clicking the Remove button. Now, there are no items in the category jellies. Let us add a few items in our app for the category chocolate. Let us now check. Adding items one at a time using the method we used would be a challenging task, especially if you have more than 100 items. It is a very time-consuming process, so let us use a feature called Bulk Upload. Click Add under Bulk Upload. Bulk Upload expects a CSV file in the appropriate format. Click the Download Format File button to download the format file. Let us open the file. Let us fill in this file. Enter the item name. Provide the category ID for this item. So, let us copy the category ID. Paste it. Enter the item body. Enter the item price. If you are not providing any discount, then you can set the item offer price to 0. Enter the currency symbol. Enter the item unit. Enter the item prefix. Please note that every item must have a unique item prefix that should end with an underscore. This is the format to fill the sample file required for bulk upload. I've already prepared the file for this app. Let us now export it to CSV format. Back in the bulk upload, select the CSV file we exported. Click on the Process button. If there are no errors in the format file, the items are ready for bulk upload. Before we start the bulk upload, we need to upload item images. Please note that the image file name should start with the respected item prefixes we provided in the CSV file, as these images will be mapped to their respected items. Let us select all the images. This process may take some time, depending on the items. Once all the items are uploaded, click on the Close button. Notice that all our items now have their respected item images. Now, let us add the item gallery images. Note that the item gallery image file names must also start with the prefix of the respective items. Select all the images. You can also delete the item gallery images by clicking the delete icon. Let us now start the bulk upload. This process will take some time, depending on the items and your internet speed. Our bulk upload was successful. You can see the items that were successfully uploaded and the items that failed to upload. In our case, all items were successfully uploaded, and there are no failed uploads. Let us now check our app. There might be a case where you have a category, and that category has subcategories. In our case, we have a category dry fruits, and it has subcategory states, almonds, cashews, and walnut. In order to organize it, we can use sublaunchers or submenus. But before that, let us create our subcategories. Now, let us click Manage under Launchers. To create a submenu, click Add Launcher. Enter the launcher name. Add it. You can update the launcher name by clicking on Edit. Click the Update button. Let us try to delete this launcher by clicking on the Delete button. Our launcher was deleted. Let us add launcher items to our submenu Dry Fruits. Our submenu is now ready. Now, in order to access it, we need to link it to our home launcher. Create a home launcher item. Select our submenu in the Launcher Item action. Add the item. Let us refresh our app. We see a new launcher item called Dry Fruits. We can see our submenu Dry Fruits. But our subcategories have no items. So let us add items and link them to our subcategories using bulk upload. Now, the items were successfully added and linked to our subcategories. If you want to display information to your users, such as about us, privacy policy, etc., you can easily do it using a feature called Pages. Click Manage under Pages. Click Add Page. Enter the page title. Enter the information in the page body. Click Add Page. You can update the page by clicking on Manage. Make the changes. Click Update. Our page was successfully updated. You can remove the page using the Remove Page button. Let us create a few pages. Now that we've created pages, how do we access them in the app? In order to do so, you can add page links in the footer. To do that, go to App Settings. Enable the footer. Enter the footer text. Select the page links you want to display. Save. As we refresh our app, notice the footer was added in the app along with the page links. As we click on the About Us page link, we can access the page. Let us add all the page links. If you want to display your business location to your app users, you can do that using My Business. Click Yes to show the business location. Search for the location. Drag the marker on the map. You can also edit the address to make it more explicit. Update. Notice that the business location is now visible in your app's home launcher. Click View Location to view the location on the map. To hide the location, click Cancel. Update. Notice that the location is now hidden. You can inform your app users regarding offers, updates, etc. using announcements, where you can display messages in your app. Let us try by clicking Manage under App Announcements. There are 3 types of announcements: pop-up, message, and universal announcement. Let us first try pop-up by checking Enable Pop-up. Enter the pop-up title. Enter the message. Save. As we refresh our app, notice a pop-up appears in the home launcher. Let us disable it and try message. Enter the message title. Enter the message. Save. Notice that we now see a message. Lastly, let us enable universal announcement. Enter the announcement. Notice that the announcement appears at the top below the app bar. This announcement is universal, meaning you can see it everywhere within the app. We can also have all 3 enabled at the same time. You can also team up and manage your app with ease. In this demonstration, on the right is My Team Members dashboard. So, let me log in as a team member. As you can see, our team member is not part of our app. So, in order to add this member to our app, open Team. Click Add Member. Enter the team member's Plentra account email, ID. Select the permissions you want to allow the member to access. Click Add. The team member was successfully added. We see our app available on our team member's dashboard. And this member has access to all the permissions we selected. Let us update the permissions. Uncheck some of the permissions. Update. Notice that the member can access only the permissions we selected. You can remove this member by clicking the Remove Member button. You can temporarily block your app's access to your users during maintenance, updates, etc. when you don't want your users to access your app during this time. You can do that easily by going to App Settings. Check Enable under Construction Mode. Save. Notice that the app access is temporarily blocked. As we uncheck under Construction Mode and save. Now, our users have access to our app. In order to access the app, our users should use the web link. You can link your own website domain to the app. Go to App Settings. Under Domain Management, there are steps to follow in order to link the domain to the app. The first step is to verify the ownership of the domain. In order to do so, copy the verification token. In your domain's DNS, create a new record. Choose the record type as TXT. Enter the domain name. Paste the verification token in the content. Save. Now, the next step is to link the domain to the app. In order to do that, we need to create a CNAME record in our DNS. So, back in our DNS, add a record. Choose the type as CNAME. Enter the domain name. In the target, enter app.plentrasphere.com. Save. Please note that our DNS records will take some time to reflect the changes. Enter the domain name. Click the link button. Our domain was successfully linked. Let us verify it by entering our domain name in the URL. And notice that our app has been loaded successfully. After we link our domain to our app, notice that the app is accessible through the web link and also through the domain. In order to prevent access using the web link, go to App Settings. Check External Redirects. Check External Web App. Enter the domain URL. Save. Now, the access to the app using the default web link has been blocked, and instead, you see a redirection page. Since we have enabled the web app and provided our domain as a link, it will redirect users when they click this button. Similarly, you can also provide links to download your Android app and iOS app.